In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use A/B testing on WordPress.com. A/B testing is an essential tool for any website owner looking to optimize their site. It allows you to test different versions of your site to see which performs better with your audience. So let's dive right into the process. First, we need to log in to WordPress.com. Open your preferred web browser and search for WordPress.com login, or navigate directly to the site. Once there, enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. It's important to ensure you're logged in to have full access to your website's dashboard and functionalities. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard by going to the localhost WordPress WP admin page. This is where you'll be able to manage plugins and other settings necessary for A/B testing. Make sure you're comfortable navigating this space, as it will be the hub for today's tutorial. Next, find the Plugins section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it to access the plugin management area. From here, you'll want to add a new plugin, so go ahead and click on Add Plugin. In the search box that appears, type in Nelio A/B Testing. This is the plugin we'll be using to conduct A/B tests on your WordPress site. It's a reliable tool that many WordPress users utilize for split testing. When you find the Nelio A/B Testing plugin, click Install Now. If you've already installed it in the past, you'll see an Activate button instead. Go ahead and click that. Once activated, you can now access the Nelio A/B Testing section from your plugins list. Navigate over to Nelio A/B Testing. You'll see an option labeled Tests. Click on it to begin setting up your first A/B test. Look for the Add Test option and click on it. Here, you'll have the opportunity to choose the type of test you want to run. For this demonstration, we'll be choosing Post. Next, give your test a meaningful name. Naming your tests clearly helps keep your experiments organized, especially when you're running multiple tests simultaneously. After naming your test, select the specific post you wish to test on your site. For our example, we'll choose the post titled Hello World. Now you'll have the option to select the variants you want to test. Click on B, which will allow you to define the second version of your post. Make any changes you wish to test, such as content changes or design tweaks. Once you're satisfied, simply click on Test to initiate the A/B test. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an A/B test on your WordPress.com site using the Nelio A/B Testing plugin. By carefully analyzing the results, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance your website's performance. Happy testing, and good luck with optimizing your WordPress site.